Yes, good morning guys. So, eto, may adventure ulit kami, no? We have an adventure. Good morning, good afternoon, masantos sa agawad si kayo anyway. We're going to, it's apple picking I think so, sa farm. Eh, kaso, may usapan, medyo may sakit yung pinsan ata, inuubo, para hindi makapunta. So, ngayon guys, ang gagawin namin, diretso kami doon, and then pagbalik, matapos man, daanan namin sila kasi siyempre para mabisita, and then may ginawa si Mrs. na kangkanin kung sana ang magiging salo-salo namin. So mangyayari, kita na lang namin, and then after that try namin kung saan mapadpad. So guys, let's go. Okay? Samahan nyo kami. Ito muna ang patalastas ni Paul. Boom! So yun guys, paalis na kami, no? Papuntang
Easter
egg hunting daw. So, sa may Oshawa. Yeah. So guys, kita-kits tayo doon, no? Let's go and have fun. Si Paul nasa likod. Hi Paul!
raining tacos
Yeah.
from outer sky.
See you guys.
Tacos.
So guys, we are here in the farm.
Yeah, not in the Easter egg yet.
No, this is the one.
Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah. So guys, kita tayo guys. So kita nyo sa labas guys. Medyo malamig. Wow. Ha. So ito yung guys, no? Daming tao guys. So let's check kung ano yung pwede natin ka, no? Parang it's gonna be like fun for these kids. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Stay with us, guys. Let's see what is inside. There's a lot. Marami pa, oh. Marami pa, oh, pila. Okay. So guys, let's check. Guys, a little bit cold, guys. So fun. Maganda guys. Yun na yung magina ko. Egg hunting, I don't know. Egg hunting. Oh, egg hunting means to say nagtatraw ka sa loob. Yeah, this is the Pringles Brown. Yeah, check in here. And then, para sa mga bata talaga, pick your own animal and play lang. So guys, maganda yung farm, malayo. Kasi pang bata talaga guys. So, purple, kaya lang ang nangyari guys, pila tayo guys. Madami. So guys, kita-kits tayo kasi medyo malamig na. Thank you. Natin kung ano yung pwede nating makuha, or it's my first time to do that. First time ko lang pumunta rito guys. So guys, pila tayo. Yun guys, nagkaubusan ng ticket kaya hindi na kami nakapunta, at least nakapamasyal next time ulit. So ang kwan lang pagkakamali, hindi kami nakapag book. Ngayon magbo-book sana kami during that time na nandun kami, fully book na rin.
Well,
Probably,
I'm driving to your house.
fully book na rin. So yun guys, para yun nangyari, pasyal na lang muna tayo sa daan. Makikita nyo kung saan kami galing. So next time, probably next week, medyo maganda yung panahon, pabook tayo, pamasyal
You
tayo.
don't have the ticket for the
At least si
Easter
Paul
egg?
naman, hindi naman yung bata na na mangiyak-iyak ng iyak pag hindi nakapunta. Nakakaano rin kasi yung bata excited din. Excited. Kaya nga lang, naporlata. So, wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga. At least si Paul okay lang. Kay Paul okay lang. Nakakaintindi si Paul. So, that's the best thing on him. Yeah. Yun na maganda sa kanya. Hindi naman siya.
Do you have the Easter ticket?
So, yun o. Tumatawag siya doon sa pinsan niya. yan, pasyal-pasyal kami dito. So, daanan na lang namin yung pinsan niya kasi medyo masama pakiramdam. So, dadan na lang kami doon. And then after that, medyo jamming ng konti. Ninuwi na rin kami. Makapagpahinga at may pasok kasi bukas, guys. So, ito. Kinakausap niya.
Dollarama is closed, Tita Po.
Dollarama is closed already. Yeah? No?
Pending bill?
Yeah.
Door
And
is
guys,
still
dito na kami sa sa Salim Road.
This is like
Ay, siya nga po pala guys, no? So, yaman din na nandito kami. May napansin ako sa daan. So, kung ano, alam niyo kung ano yun? Yun, hindi nyo alam. Ito yun. Ito yun guys. Flowers. Para kay Mrs. Siyempre, minsan ginagawa rin yan. Eh, banding-banding na rin. Diba? So, kailangan din. Gustuwang-tuwa din si So yun guys, kita-kits na lang tayo doon sa Brock Road. Brock Road yun eh. Yeah. Malapit na rin dito, probably mga nasa 30 minutes more.
Okay, see you at Isayon.
Yeah. So guys, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. See you.
So guys, dito na kami, no? So let's see
We're
kung
here.
ano magiging kung
It
natin
wasn't inside.
sistema. So we are in Adding Science.
Ow.
Yeah, so Popo is excited. No? So ganun guys. Hindi naman tayo allowed na kumuha ng video sa loob, na picture na lang dun sa magpinsan na maglalaro maya. So,
Yeah, remember it's like
So guys, thank you. What's up? So yun guys, natapos ang banding ng dalawa, no. So makikita yung picture. So nakita yung picture, no. So pauwi na rin kami. Aga-aga kasi lalaban na naman nalabang ko yung mga bedsheet namin, tapos lilinisan ko yung napulot ko kahapon na pang condiments. So sandali guys ha, kasi andun na si Paul. So guys, thank you guys. Kita-kits tayo sa bahay. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, this is Paul. We just came home. We're having our merienda time with, what's that?
this is blueberry cupcake.
And this is kankanin.
A muffin.
yeah, so we just came home. Let's see if we can assemble his Lego, the green one, or if not, we're gonna fix that box over there at my back. Kasi ang sabi ng friend ko, padala na lang sa Pilipinas yung laptop, guys, kasi doon may mga pwedeng mahiraman ng mga hardware. Kailangan ng hardware install. So yun, guys, madali naman doon kasi dito bawal ang pirata. Doon mayroon. So guys, at ito pang isa. Nandito yung binili ko kanina kay Mrs. Oh, ha? Gusto? Flowers for my wife.
Why? What's this?
So guys, stay tuned, okay? I'm coming back! Guys, habang inaantay ko yung labada ko, maya, I'm gonna assemble this one. Yeah, this is the car. People want to assemble it. So, let's go and Popol gonna
Do it.
gulong tulog. So guys, we're gonna cook. I'm not the one who's gonna cook. My wife. So we're gonna cook for chicken with sabaw. That's what Popol wanted. So we're gonna cut this one, and then cut into small piece, and then with the sabaw. Then I'll show you later if done, right? And Paul is doing the Lego over there. Doing it. We're gonna start it and then we're gonna continue later on. Okay? See you. Yun guys, nandito na ako sa number 11, 14, no? 14.
And I did
So,
this.
yeah. Keep on watching, guys. We continue and we will give the details every we made it. Yeah, so that's it. So,
But this is
guys, stay tuned.
yeah, and this is done.
Yeah. So guys, ito si Paul. Tinutulungan niya ako. Siya na naglalagay ng sticker. He's putting the sticker here. Now he's putting sticker on that side. Okay. So let's see. So that's my update, and we're gonna open the other one. Malapit na. Yung guys, tapos na. Tapos na kaso walang gulong. Ito guys, oh, okay na siya. So, tatawagin na natin si Bossing para kabit yung gulong. Yun ang pinaka the best na papel niya rito. Yung kabit ang gulong. Ano guys? So, kabit na natin ang gulong. No? So, tingnan muna natin. So, Paul gonna put the tire. Okay, how are you gonna put it? Yeah, and then kuling talog ko. Wow. So, we're gonna put it in. Put the glass pearl. Put the glass of the car. Put in the middle. No. In the middle. There's not a middle. Here. Na. Yun na lang guys. Wow.
Sa kubo ko na sila.
Wow. Another one. Here. Yeah, man. See, guys, we have a nice car. See this, guys? It's gonna go up like this. Wow. We got a new collection. Yeah. Wow. I like that. The green one. Asti! Wow. So guys, ito yun. This is the car. Right? So it's like the same.
It's the picture is not supposed to be. The picture is not that.
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah.
So it's not going like this.
No, yeah, they just close it. Just close it. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching and on assembling the Lego of Paul. Thank you. Say hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
The car is here.
The car says
Thank you. So guys, we're gonna clean this thing today, so that we can use it, right? Just stay tuned, okay? We're gonna clean it, okay? Guys, this is it. At last, I just clean it up right now. Then it's dry. We have to wait to dry down those things, and then we can use it. So, I'm so glad that I found that thing. Napaka ano siya, organized. So it's an organized thing for the kitchen. Yeah, so nice. So. And then let's see if we can pick the box today. Anyway, laptops are here. And then there's Popo. Hi, Paul.
Hi.
You eating now? What are you eating?
About rice with chicken.
Oh, sabaw rice with chicken. Para maaga na siya guys matulog kasi alas 8 na guys. Is 8 o'clock. Pero maaraw pa rin. Pero kung na yun yan na yung oras ng tulog niya. So may school siya bukas. So guys, yan na lang natin na. Thank you. So guys, thank you. So this is it, the end of our vlog. So thank you very much because my wife and my son is always sleeping. And thank you for thank you for being with us for the whole day. So that's it until the next vlog. Thank you so much. Good night.